Lake Bunyonyi is located in the southwest of Uganda between Kisoro and Kabale district. It is also close to the border with Rwanda. Lake Bunyonyi is the deepest crater lake in Africa, the deepest lake in Uganda, and also believed to be the second deepest lake in Africa. It is one of the best places to visit in Uganda. It is also among the very few lakes in Uganda free of bilharzia. Lake Bunyonyi also has 29 islands and is home to over 100 bird species. Every island has a story attached to it. While at Lake Bunyonyi, you can enjoy, relax, have nature walks, watch the birds, and enjoy the sounds made by the birds. That is the Consumer Backpackers, one of the places you can stay at while at Lake Bunyonyi. You'll enjoy the beautiful nature around there and also enjoy the breeze that comes from the lake itself. This is also another place you can stay while at Lake Bunyonyi. And while there, you can enjoy the different games that they offer, including the zip lining. This is known as the Punishment Island. A long time ago, this is where they used to bring the girls who got pregnant before getting married and would be left to die there. The unmarried girls who got pregnant used to be seen as bringing shame to their families. And so, as the way to punish them, they would be brought to this island and left to die there because they would have no food and they would end up dying. Some, the lucky ones, would be rescued, while the unlucky ones would end up dying from there. This is the Safari Resort, one of the very beautiful places you can book while at Lake Bunyonyi. They have their own boats, and so if you made a reservation, they would pick you up from the shores and bring you right there. This is Eco Resort. While there, you'll be able to view different animals like the impalas, the cobs, and many others. It is the only place along Lake Bunyonyi where you'll find the different animals. Also, there is a school where the children can go to study, and that is their school boat. Overall, Lake Bunyonyi is such a beautiful place to visit while in Uganda. I would recommend it 100%. It's so beautiful, so peaceful, the views are amazing, the breeze is so fresh, and there are so many places you can book to stay at affordable prices. That was it for this week's video. Don't forget to always be happy and spread positive vibes. Till next time. Bye.